Welcome back to the DSA solutions. Today we'll discuss about removing minimum and maximum from array. We have to find minimum and maximum element from array. We will access their position and we will calculate the minimal number of deletion required. Let's understand how we can count minimal number of deletion. Count. Remove from front or delete from start. So let's understand when we can consider this scenario. So if either min or max is far from the start but closer than to the end, then we can sequentially delete element from the start. Another scenario is remove from back or delete from end. When we can consider this scenario, so if either minimum or maximum is near to the end, it's near than the if we consider to the start, it is near to the end. So we'll sequentially delete element from the end. Another scenario, minimum from front and maximum from back. That means delete minimum from start and maximum from end. So when we can consider this example, if minimum is near the start and maximum is near the end, then remove the minimum from the start and then maximum from the end. Another scenario, maximum from front and minimum from back. That means delete maximum from start and minimum from end. So when we can consider this, if maximum is near to the start and minimum is near to the end, then remove maximum from the start and then minimum from the end. Understand this with example. So minimum is 1 at index 3, maximum 10 at index 1. So here delete from the first where minimum is farthest. So total deletion is 4. Next one, minimum is 1 at index 3, maximum is 10 at index 5. So delete from the back where minimum is nearest. So total deletion will be 4. Next one, minimum is 1 at index 0, maximum is 10 at index 5. So here delete minimum from the front and maximum from the back. So here total deletion 3. Another one, maximum 10 is at index 0, minimum 1 is at index 4. So here delete maximum from the front and minimum from the back. So here total deletion 4. Coding part, if array is having only one element, then we will be returning 1 because by default minimum element and maximum element will be the same. So only one deletion is required in that case. Then we are initializing two variable, minimum index and maximum index, that is to 0. Then this will track the position of the smallest and largest element in array. We iterate we iterate the array with the for loop and we perform comparison. If we find an element smaller than the current minimum, then we update minimum index to this new position. Similarly, if an element larger than the current maximum is encountered, we update maximum index. After the loop, we check our indices. If minimum index is greater than maximum index, then we swap them, and this is required. Now we are ready to compute the deletion. We consider 3 scenarios: removing item from front until both minimum and maximum are gone. Another is from the back, and another one is combination of both. For each, we calculate the relation required using our indices. Finally, we return the smallest of these three deletion count, and this we will be returning